3 brackets. 4x minus 5 equals 8 bracket 2x minus 3. Okay, so again, this I'm hoping is automatic for everyone at this point. I just want to make sure that algebra is good, so I want to keep bugging people on this. Olivia, I'm picking on you first today. I think I picked on you yesterday first, didn't I? I'm not going to pick on you first today. Angela, I'm going to pick on you first today. Angela, can you show off your multiplication skills, please? Go ahead. I didn't hear that second part. I'm assuming you said 15, though. Okay. Equals? Very good. Continuing. Caitlin, what do you do next, please? 15. What's the opposite of 15? Okay, so it's going to be 12x is 16x minus 24 plus 15. Mason, what's negative 24 plus 15?
Minus 16.
I'm busy. Look at me.
Oh, yeah, it's fine.
Oh, it's negative 9.
Okay.
Look at me go.
All right. Aiden, what do you do next, please?
And you have to subtract 16x from 12x. Why do what that is?
TJ, what's 12x minus 16x, please?
2x or 4x.
And then 4.
Negative 4.
All right. And just to finish up here, Curtis, what's my last step here to finish up?
Divide by negative 4.
Yeah, and remember it's you're dividing by the negative 2, right? So that's just going to turn into 9 over 4. Okay. Now I'm hoping at this stage of the game, Anna, that this algebra is just like, yeah, I got it, no problem, I got it down, okay? And if you're not quite there, that's okay, but you should be getting to that point soon, right? If you see that, you're like, yeah, I can solve it, no big deal. Okay? Ready to continue? All right. So this one's a little bit trickier here. This question again, as I said, I logged onto my hockey pool this morning. I'm in last place, so I got a little agitated and I had to make up an angry question here. I don't actually have 5 points. I have 2 points. Because actually I have not 5. Okay, so I'm not.
So why did you pick everybody on the bag? Just because like not everybody gets points on them.
Right, but if they make the Stanley Cup Finals of the most games played, right? That's the whole goal, right? Yes.
But it's Vegas, so they have to make the Stanley Cup Finals. How do you know?
First, okay, let me just rephrase here. I am not a hockey fan, okay? I know of hockey, I know what hockey is, I've played hockey. But if you were to say name me 20 NHL players, I wouldn't be able to do it.
Try.
No, I'm not going to.
Can you do 5?
Did you play body contact hockey?
Yes.
So did you like cross on it?
No.
Why not?
Let's continue, please, okay? So it says Mr. Sadler has 5 points in the hockey pool. He gets 3 points, let's continue, please. He gets 3 points in each game. Each night, make a table of values and grab 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 nights. So I'm going to do nights, will be here. I'm also going to add to this one, we're going to make an equation for this one too, I think.
No, we didn't.
No, we didn't.
The golden nights would be, right? No, I'm not doing the golden nights.
Oh.
And this is going to be points.
Oh.
It's okay, Curtis, all right. So nights and points. Okay, so Olivia, I'm going to start with you. What do I put for my nights, please?
Oh, yeah, I'm
Sorry?
What?
Well, 5, not quite, okay. Somebody help her, not quite. Yeah, go ahead. Well, not quite 3 either. Just wait, I know what you're thinking.
10.
0.
Okay, what are we going to Curtis go?
The table says 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Sorry, there's a lot of pressure here to start today. I'm sorry about that, okay. So again, we're just going to fill in here all my different entries on my table here, okay? So we're going to have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, so that's 20. Okay? All right.
I got a question.
Yes.
It says he gets like 3 points each night, so is it like at 2 nights and all 6 points?
Very good.
Okay.
So to start off here, we're gonna have here, at 0 to the 0 9th, I start off at 5 points. So as Mason kindly said is here, we're gonna go up to 11, okay? Now please note, we're not going to 8, okay, because we're doing 2 nights. So I'm gonna keep adding 6, it's gonna be 17, 23, 29, and 35. Okay, if I wanted to make an equation for this, I didn't actually ask you to, but let's say we said x is equal to nights, and y is equal to points. My equation is going to be y equals mx plus b. Can somebody be brave? I'll open this up to anybody here. What's my y-intercept going to be here? What's my starting value going to be? Go ahead on.
5.
5. So the equation is going to be y equals something plus 5. So is everyone okay with where that came from here? Okay, right? Your starting value is 5, so the equation is going to end up being plus 5. What's the slope in this case going to be? Mason, go ahead. It is, right, but as far as the number though.
Oh, it's going to be 3, isn't it?
It is 3.
Oh, oops.
Yes. It's going to be actually indirect. Why is this one indirect? Hold on a second.
Oh, isn't it?
Right, go ahead. Right, we're starting at 5, we're not starting at 0. So this would actually, hold on, let's calm down here for a sec. This is going to be, would be technically 3x plus 5,
Oh, yeah.
because you're saying you're going up 3 each time, right? And you're starting at 5. Are we all right? Okay. You're starting off at 5 and you're going up by 3 each time. Does this sort of make sense there for where that came from? Jacob, sort of making sense there? Okay. All right, let's go through my graph here quickly. This is just going to be a fast graph because I want to get to my lesson today. If you're doing this in your paper, you just do this graph. I'm going to do it as neatly as I can because that's how I roll. That's a good thing. When you are doing this graph in your paper, you can use X and Y if you want to, but I'm going to do nights like this, and goals like this. Points, right, thank you. Yeah, you guys just do rough sketch, that's fine. Yeah, I don't want this to take the whole rest of the class to do. I want this to be fast. So again, we're starting at 5, 0 and 5. Then we get 2 and 11. Someone other than Owen, I appreciate this. Actually, Maddie, I believe we're up to you. How do we do 11 on my graph? Where would 11 be?
2, go to 2.
Yeah.
And then up to 11.
11. How would I do? I don't have an 11 on my y value though. How would I get that?
Just guess.
Just guess, estimate.
Okay, good. I'm going to hopefully you'd say though 11 is very close to 10, right? So it's just going to be maybe just this much over 10, right?
Yeah.
So it's very close to 10. So 2 and 11. 4 and 17 is going to be sort of in the middle there. 6 and 23 is going to be sort of like this. 8 and 29 is going to be something like this. And 10 and 35 is going to be up here. And we'll see how good my graph is. So this is going to be Sadler's hockey pool. Okay, now, to go back to what Mason was saying, and this is a good comment here. This is indirect variation. Someone other than Mason here. Kara, can actually I'm picking on you. Why is this one indirect variation again?
Because it doesn't start, doesn't go through the origin.
It doesn't go through the origin, right? Which is like a plus 5 in the equation, but it doesn't start through. So I sort of cheated. Before the pool even started, I had 5 points.
How?
Can we get that there? Before the pool even started, I had 5 points. Let's do a quick little line here and then we'll continue. Yeah. Yes, it is.
It's supposed to be like a scary.
Scary for all the drivers. Scary for all the drivers to call that freezing right here.
There's no free free.
Yeah, when I was walking, I was getting like little ice.
When I was walking out of the portable, there's these 2 kids
Ah,
They were walking up into the portable and they were like, I don't know if this is rain or snow.
Boy.
okay, here we go, that's that. I'm gonna move over to, I'm gonna do the video first, and then I'm gonna move back to number 14, okay? So someone remind me of number 14, all right?
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, really,